Alright, so I was performing this test here in my bathroom. I have these points centered at this dot. The Y is 0. You notice that when I push up, there's where 12 is, it goes a little bit high, right? It's fine. And then I'll go up to like maybe 19, that's fine. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And then it goes back to 12. Now negative 4 is kind of where the 0 was. And then 0 is actually below where we originally were. And then 12 is there, okay. And then when I go back to 0, that's 4. And 0, okay, so that's where it should be. But you notice that negative 4 was actually lower than the 0. So let's go back up again. Negative 12, and then negative 4 is now the 0 where it was. And then the 0 is way low now, which is at the bottom of that circle instead of where the center is. So let me zoom in a little bit just to kind of make it a little clearer. So let's try this again. Alright, originally it was up, so let's just kind of leave the reference at a benefit of doubt, whatever. Let's kind of try to get back to where we were again. So I'm going to go back down 0, 12, 4, 0 should be center of the dot. That's where I left it at, right? So let's go ahead and bump it up. Negative 12, and then I'll go back down. Negative 4 is where the 0 is. Down again, 0 is now below the dot. It's not even at the center of the circle. And negative 12 is there, okay? So I think there's something there between these numbers offsetting and overlapping each other that's throwing the 0 off when we think we're zeroing it. See, negative 4 is at the center now. 0 is at the bottom of the circle now. Oh, now I'll try to get this going back up again. Negative 4, and now the 0 is at the center of the circle, and negative 12 is up. Negative 4 is back at the center. Now 0 is way below now. So I think ATN needs to fix this. Hopefully they can do a test itself. This is former 461. I'm not using the 476 because I don't want to update it and mess it up. So anyways, check this out. I haven't done the x-axis, so let's maybe get back to 0 and see what happens here. Where I originally had 0'd it. So there's center at y, so let's go. Oh, why is the y changing when I'm going left? Maybe my weird. Back to 30. Let me get back to that 0. That was weird. Okay, in the center, going to the right. Negative 4, negative 23. Okay. That could be an issue too, right? So is negative 4 that center dot, I guess, or what?
Hey.
I'm making a video, honey. 38, 46, 44. Okay. So maybe it's in between, and it's estimating, I guess, maybe. So negative 4. Let's go left. Okay, that seems to be the same. Okay. Now let's go back to 0 when it's down here and see what happens. Now it's a 4 instead of a 0. So between negative 4 and 4, where's the y 0? There it is. Should be center now. If I go left to right, it pops it to negative 4. So that's kind of strange. Okay. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Let's try plus 4. what would be good to know is that what if I'm at 0, 0? I think this is 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0. I'm gonna move it to, oh man, yeah, I don't think I can get the Y0. Maybe I zoom in, maybe, I don't know, but I'll go ahead and zoom in just a little bit just so I can get a finer detail, and then we'll aim it right there. Oh no. Alright, I gotta reposition the phone so I can get back on there. Alright, so I can't really get the it to be Y0, X0. It just changes the diagonal, even though I push positive up and down. Now I don't know if it's because my gun's maybe not level, maybe is that the issue? But maybe, I don't know. Could be the leveling. Let me try to level it. Yeah, I can't get it to go 0, 0. 0, X0, Y0. Whenever I cross it, it just jumps. And I made sure it's leveled and looking straight. So anyways, see if you test this at home. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you can confirm what I confirmed. And yeah.